trên đời, cùng hàng em sẽ tới. Thẫn thờ ngồi chờ trọi như chó su chờ sương rơi.
You get any suggestion for initiation of things that we see that maybe can be, changed or tweaked a little bit? Is there? Sometimes I hear it.
Not during initiation.
Oh no. After initiation.
Write it down and give it to me. Many Americans are only fit for Hare Krishna, maybe, or chanting around or having appearance as seven rope and things like that, hanging around on the street. Yeah, they like it. Okay, why not? Anything makes them happy is according to God's will. The children, if they want to have toys, it's all right. When they grow up, they will ask for everything. So why should I worry? Yeah? Actually, you know what? I'm already doing the best that I can. Like the Rama Krishna or Rama?
Yeah.
Swami Ram?
Rama Krishna.
There's a whole bunch of Ramas.
So many Ramas. There is one who died a long time ago.
Rama Krishna.
Rama Krishna. Yeah, he was saying that was supposed to be somebody.
Yeah, this is different. There's another one. Okay, he never left India, right?
Yes.
Yeah. But he sent his disciples to the West, so I attracts many Westerners.
Vivekananda.
Yeah. Sri Rama, for example, he never left India, but many Westerners came to him. You know what I mean? So if they want to come, they come. Of course, many other masters did leave India too, long time ago. And even after they die, they still can worship their souls and begging for some leftover message, something like that, So why should I worry, I already do my best, and if they don't appreciate it, why should I force myself?
Maybe we have to ask the Taiwanese government to name this country New India, and then maybe then
Then I changed my name to Ananda Dananda, Maharachi Matachi, Paramsa Guru Tofu. Never mind. I think I'm very satisfied with my work, and it's going well. You don't know how much work, all kinds of translations, all kinds of things, and disaster relief and all that. It's a lot of work,
You've done it in 10 years, but other people have done it 15 years.
Yeah.
6 years.
You said it, yes. 6 years since I began to get famous, or 10 years, okay. I was not that famous really before. See me? And I am the only one that lecture in the United Nations, even though it's on the wing. That was a wing, but still, you know what I mean? I've gone anywhere that I can. So look at what other people do. They just sit there and wait for the disciples. This one tries to climb the mountain. And I'm the one who works hard and doesn't have anything, so why? Okay, I reap all the merit and rewards. And American people, they get nothing just because they don't appreciate it. Okay. So don't blame me anymore about disorganizing or not appreciating everything.
We feel responsible, somehow responsible.
No, you're not. You're not even responsible.
No, we're not. It's difficult not to, because we hear the people and
Yes.
see so much what you give.
Okay, you know what?
Just like to be the cement brick.
Just that I don't stay there. I have no intention of anything. I stay where I feel comfortable and where God places me. You know what I mean? And whatever else happens, that's the case.
I was thinking about the Krishnas in America. They're everywhere. They're just always getting inviting people together, chanting on the street. And that's how the people are coming to us.
There's a Tibetan Rinpoche who once coined a term called spiritual materialism.
Yes.
Like they like to shave their heads and wear robes and look Indian and scare people.
Yeah. They're like so different.
It's true, but they're also, the point is, people are in need, right?
They're in need.
They need something. It's not.
Well, that's what they need.
Yeah. Maybe what they need is the robe and the chanting.
Well, maybe it is good for them for the moment, and then they prepare for a higher, teaching later on. So you cannot say what is good for them and what is not. It's okay. I only know that I try my best. And that satisfies me. No end. I'm finished. Whatever else we do is extra with time. In only about a few years, 6 to 8 years, since I came to the West first time. 90 what?
89.
89.
May of 89.
Yes, 89. So at that time I didn't even have one book in English. The only English tape was the one from the lecture. Immediately, fresh. Just baked, freshly baked from the oven. So, I know the English typing off with letters, you could read one sentence and 5-10 letters in it. 10 mistakes. German, for mistakes. Yes. Okay, so anyhow, you see what I mean? And then now we have so many translated books and magazines in different languages, and then we give our millions of dollars in help, and we have disciples all over the world in different languages. I think it's a tremendous work. For just a few handfuls of Chinese, even though we have more than 100 residents here, not all of them are intellectual. Not all of them understand English and all that. You know what I mean? Let alone Deutsch and all kinds of other Korean and Spanish language. So we started from nothing. I knew no one in Taiwan when I came here. And I know nobody in America when I went there. I know nobody. I have only a handful of monks and nuns and peasants and all kinds, anybody. Taxi drivers and trucks. Why not? I started from scratch, really, from nothing. And in 6 years, or what? 6, 7, 8 years. Because when I came to the West, I already was famous and stable. I stayed in storerooms, had no visa for disciples, for one and only. Hard time everywhere. No visa, no disciples. I was the only one who could go. Chinese could come and I have nobody else there. The first lecture in America, no disciples.
It was Labor Day too.
Labor Day, and then
He was there.
one of the friends of the friends of the friends of the friends of the disciples' friend lent me a room or something like that. I didn't even know where to stay. And food and all that could be a problem. And I did not even dare to stay in a first-class hotel where I could order and food with ease and things like that. Nothing. So it's really God's will that I'm doing. Otherwise, I could never succeed in such a short time and have so many disciples from all walks of life. Of course, you are Americans and you care for them, but look at all these friends we have. And I've been in Europe only once. Been in Australia only once. And so many Australians came. And I've been in America many times. Only you two came. Okay.
Australia.
Come to Australia.
So
Maybe 6 hours.
Let's move to Australia.
6 hours.
We got enough Americans.
What is it? Anywhere, right? Anywhere. You see that? Why it cost a bomb?
Yeah, I guess a lot.
I wanted to buy a center for the Hawaiian people there. Wow, it cost so much. $8 million at least. A few acres of land. Yeah, so, you know what I mean? It is not always easy, and I think God has blessed me a great deal. I can't complain. For all the beautiful disciples that I have. I can't compare to anyone else. I don't want to compare. I'm so blessed, so loved, and so successful. I think bless God, huh? He's really blessed. That guy. A girl. Yes. Now I had a different name for him, but I also forget myself. Him and her become what? Husband. Yeah. There is no more he and him. But I forget, it seems strange, but I also have to get used to it. In the magazine it's okay, so people maybe don't argue anymore why I say it's a her and I say it's a him. They argue over such things. You know, I'm really satisfied with what I have, you know. And if God consent to give me more in the future, more Occidental disciples, so I'm a bit more happy and more grateful. Otherwise, okay, fine, yeah. I don't think all the gurus have such wonderful disciples as I have. I'm proud to say, yeah, really disciplined, really sincere and practicing, not just numbers, you know. I'm very proud of the friends that I have, the disciples, the so-called disciples that I have. Some of them are, troublesome, but they're not bad, you know what I mean? They don't go and do anything harmful to society, really. Like, for example, the only stupid thing she does is ask for toilet. For example, and you know what I mean? And for what I scold here, for the mistakes that I scold you here, other disciples in other so-called groups had to learn 10 years or 10,000 years to learn the mistake that you do here, to arrive at the mistaken level that you do, that you make it, you know what I mean? Yeah? Other disciples are still hanging around with a lot of things, criminal records and all that. Yeah, we deal with toilets. That's the only crime that she committed. And I ask a lot, you know. She likes me to look at her and talk to her. Or know what she's doing. That's all. It's only a childish behavior. That's all, nothing bad. The worst disciples here are saints compared to those elsewhere. You know what I mean? I've been around too myself. And I've been mixing with all kinds of so-called disciples. Yeah? I have been a so-called disciple myself. And I'm proud to say that you are the best in the world. Really, really. God's gift. Truly God's gift. So it's not a number that's important. What can you do with a lot of numbers and then it's so confusing. Yeah? Really, I must let you know. I'm very proud of you. Whoever can come here, I know who you are. I know what you are. I'm sure of your identity, your quality, and your spiritual progress. You know, like I read a book. What if I have a lot of disciples and I don't even know? You know, and what they do I can't control. And they bring harm to society in the name of my faith and my religion and all that. You know what I mean? Just trying to get more numbers and more, get loud and more noise so that people notice them. What for? They don't get respect that way. Maybe people join them for a while, but then they lose their purpose, then they go out again, or they do their own purpose. Yeah? And even like in the name of the religious order that they saw, decide to join in the beginning. See what I mean? A big deal of the number of disciples means nothing to me. Don't you think? You've seen a lot of noisy and crowded groups of other so-called disciples that are more remarkable. You know, everybody knows who they are by the look of the dress and appearance and things like that. But what do they do? What do they do? What do they do with their lives? What do they do for society? Then you know, huh? Okay, be happy. We are really blessed. Really blessed. But your suggestion, I would think about it. But you must let me know where you stay. Otherwise, I never know if you are there. Well, then it's no good. Not fun. Okay. Time. Go down. What? Don't worry, we'll be clean. It's not the worst thing. The karma is difficult, but it's more disciples.
Yuppie master.
Do we smoke alone? High heels?
Yes. High tech master.
Yeah, high tech, yes. Fashionable.
Yeah.
Those who came out are kind of messenger, you know, not master. Okay. Takes a long time. If you want, you may try and stay around for a while, huh? Okay? Let me get to know you. Correct your shortcomings and mistakes before I send you out. Yeah? Perfect picture. Okay? But if you think you're perfect already, then, well, I don't care. Now get lost.
Nếu vắng anh trên đời chắc em đi lang thang dù có có làm tu sĩ, cũng cô đơn mà thôi, cũng cô đơn mà thôi.